Rooster! You have 4 paws. Can I have one of them? Can I have this? Ow. Can I have this one? Ooh, those are sharp. I think I'll take a back one. It's not as sharp. Can I have this one? No, I don't want one of those. They're very sharp. What about a tail? I'll take your tail. Is this tail available? Can I have your tail? Can I have your belly? Look at this belly! Can I have it? You gonna keep all of your kitty parts? Look at this butt. Oops. Shutter. The shutter closed on your indecency. What are you doing? Hi, sweet pie. Hi. And play with the personnel management tool? No, you just want to attack me. I've been in an attacking mood all day. You tell people that. They just see you, they think you're cute. They don't know how savage you are. You're just a monster. Rooster has accepted it as completely normal that we drove 6 hours, stayed at a new house for a few days, and then drove 6 hours home. It's just kind of what we do, huh? Yeah, nothing unusual. I say good night. Good night. Good night.